Page 13, the bass player. This is just using the notes we've been playing, and it looks like there's staccatos everywhere. So let's look it over. It's one line long with a repeat. We're going to play it twice. Bass clef, 2 4-time signature, and we got our notes we've been playing here. And again, I play everything connected at first. I'll do the staccatos later. And I'm just kind of rotating here. And as I rotate, I'm lowering whichever finger I want the weight to be on. I'm not holding still and trying to use the fingers. That doesn't work on modern pianos. Please don't. Just here and then here. And the actual motion is very small. I exaggerated so you can see it better, but the actual motion is small. It's just boom, 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 boom. This is real small. But the point is, I'm transferring weight from finger to finger. I'm not using the finger strength to push the note down. I'm using weight to push the note down. So once I have the notes learned okay, I get rid of any hesitations, and then I'll add in the staccatos. And now I'm going to flex here. I'm on the key and I'm bouncing off each time. When I speed it up, then I got to do that, but keep it small. Keep it small, boom, 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 boom. Yeah, no, it's not like I'm putting weight on it. You don't have time for that. You're doing this, and that's pushing the note down. Once you can play this rhythm okay and no hesitations, anything, let's play it together. I'll give us 2 counts. And we are going to repeat now. Ready, go. Repeat.